Hey guys, Josh Super Tiger here, and it looks we have a storm right now that's tornado warning out in St. Charles County. They have said there has been reported wall clouds, and this looks to be it right here. This does look to be that wall cloud that they are talking about. This is a very small storm. They are talking about that this storm has the history of producing thunderclouds, and that looks to be that wall cloud right there that they were talking about that was accompanied with the storm. That has to be it. That has to be that wall cloud because it looks just like it. This storm is not that far. I'm seeing no other cloud formation except for that right there. That's a wall cloud. That's exactly that wall cloud they were talking about right here. It's starting to come right above me now. That's it right there. That's a wall. That's that wall cloud they're talking about. This storm does have a tornado warning. It does look like it's weakening. That's a wall cloud right there. That has to be a wall cloud, because they have been talking about the storm has had numerous lowerings. There has been wall clouds reported with this. And that looks to be it right there. That looks to be that wall cloud they were talking about. I do see some weakening in that wall cloud. Looks like it's disintegrating, which is good. See, it goes right there, all that darkness right there. That rotating wall cloud looks like it's going away, but that was it right there. That was it. That was that wall cloud. Yep. That has to be it. We broadcast from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serve St. Louis and surrounding areas. A tornado warning remains in effect for central St. Charles County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cottleville and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. I'm going to stop the video right here. Josh Super Tiger back with you. We are now under a tornado warning. And it's with that same cell. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4. Sirens are going to be going off here. Following counties in Missouri: St. Charles and St. Louis. This is NOAA Weather Radio KDO 89. Rain keeps picking up here. Operating on a frequency of 162. I can't walk out and take a look at this because the rain is pouring. Sirens are going to go off here in a little bit. Man, serious right now? I can't see anything. Sirens are going to go off here in a little bit. Expected hazards include tornado. This is an indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Waiting on them to set the sirens off. We are under a tornado warning right now. Storm will be near. Port Institute around 4:30 p.m. West Powellton around 4:40. Another warning. Another tornado warning.
There's something really dangerous going on right now. We are getting multiple tornado warnings just coming in like crazy right now.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Jefferson County, south central St. Louis County until 4:45 p.m.
This was South Central.
At 4:19 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
So this tornado warning's down here.
and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes.
There we go.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Storms could be hitting over here though, but what's these tornado warning storms off to my east?
4:25 p.m. May lecture around 4:30 p.m. This warning also includes Interstate 44 from exit 269 to exit 277. Interstate 55 in Missouri near exit 191. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Rain just keeps pouring down. Trying to step out and get a look at this thing, but there's just constant rain. Here we go, the winds are starting to pick up here.
Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern St. Charles County, north central St. Louis County until 4:45 p.m.
Hey, check out these winds.
A severe thunderstorm
Winds are starting to pick up. Winds are starting to pick up here. Okay, these are shifting winds, so it looks like something might be over us. These winds are shifting, so something might be over us.
This warning also includes Interstate 70 in Missouri near exit 231. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Whoa, 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 you see those winds over there?
Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, a tornado warning remains in effect.
Whoa, winds are blowing on me now.
In northeastern St. Charles counties until
I gotta step aside. My camera's getting wet.
4:22 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
Gotta wipe
located
off
near
my camera here.
Hazelwood and
Hazelwood, whoa!
5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is radar indicated.
Hazelwood, that's right over there. That's exactly where those winds are blowing. It's right over there.
To those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed.
No, but it's right. It's well, it's pretty close, but you know, but it's pretty far away too.
Damage is likely.
I think they are.
Storm will be near West Halton around 4:40 p.m.
I mean, the storms are over for us.
Move to an interior.
Because you can see it's clearing up. Most of these storms off to our east.
Avoid windows.
I'm getting a call.
A vehicle or outdoors. Move to the closest.
Who's calling me? Yeah, hello. There's a tornado warning storm near in Hazelwood right now. Yeah, so it's not close to us, but right now I am seeing shifting winds. There were winds just blowing one direction and they switched blowing to another direction, so something might be over our house too, but it might be weak at this point in time. The sun is out, so it looks like nothing's happening over us.
But these did straight because this
Yeah.
is treated with time still, even if you strip it, that is already
Yeah.
treated. So it's going to take over.
Yep. But there's nothing really I'm seeing gonna happen over us because most of these storms are now off to our east and northeast. So there's really nothing to be concerned about. But I'm gonna keep watching this storm. Yeah. I'm just still staying here because of all the storms. So after all these storms pass, I'm gonna get dropped off over there. All right. This is crazy, guys. This is insane, man.
Repeating.
You're serious right now? We're getting multiple tornado warnings.
Following counties in Missouri: Jefferson and St. Louis. A tornado warning remains in effect for north central St. Louis and northeastern St. Charles counties until 4:45 p.m. At 4:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Hazelwood and moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
I'm gonna stop the camera right here.
Expected